Biscuits are a staple in American cuisine, loved for their flaky layers and buttery flavor. Here's how to make classic American biscuits in a bowl. Combine all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Cut in cold butter using a pastry cutter or your fingers until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Make a well in the center and pour in cold buttermilk. Gently mix until a dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and knead it a few times. Roll out the dough to about 1-inch thickness. Use a round cutter to cut out biscuit shapes. Place the biscuits on a baking sheet, ensuring they touch each other for softer edges. Brush the tops with melted butter. Bake in a preheated oven at 450 F for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Serve your American biscuits warm with butter, jam, or gravy. They're perfect for breakfast, as a side dish, or as a base for dishes like biscuits and gravy. Enjoy this timeless classic.